Hi, I'm Cappy Sinclair, one of the product evaluators for CPS Magazine, and today we're going to be taking a look at Voco's GrandioSO Nano Hybrid Composite. We have Haley here who fractured her incisal edge of number 10 at an accident, and we're going to be demonstrating the use of the one shade Nano Hybrid for her restoration. Let's first check the shade that we're going to be using today on Haley with the Voco specific shade tab. We're just going to place a nice long bevel along here. Here's the start of the fracture line. I'm about 2 millimeters past that. We're just placing a mylar strip to separate the distal of number 9 here so we don't have any etch contaminate. So the next thing we're going to do is actually just etch the enamel here and keep that on for 15 seconds. Making sure we get the lingual as well. So we're just scrubbing this in for 20 seconds, making sure that it penetrates into all layers of the enamel in the collagen matrix. The great thing about this bonding agent is that it can be used for both anterior and posterior teeth. As you saw, we actually etched the enamel to give it a little bit more bond strength in the anterior, and in the posterior, since it is dual cured, you can actually use it just with this one application. Making sure to scrub it in into all the bonded areas for 20 seconds, and then a light airstream just to remove any excess material, and then we'll go ahead and cure that for 10 seconds. We actually have Voco's specific composite gun, which hardly causes any hand fatigue, and the composite comes out in a perfect little string. This is where that long bevel comes in handy, because you can actually just tease the composite right into it. Let's go ahead and cure this. So we're just shaping the lingual here. And go ahead and do a final polish here. And this comes back to the point that I was saying earlier, how these micro hybrids, or nano hybrids, have great polishability. And as you can see, the long bevel that we created earlier, you really can't tell. And as you can see, we have great centric contacts all the way around, as well as contacts and excursive are right down the ridges of the teeth. So you can see it following that. If you were to place it right along this incisal edge where we did the restoration, you would lose this bonding very quickly. So everything looks good. We'll make sure Haley approves before we let her go. But another great appointment with Voco's GrandioSO Composite, a one-shade nano hybrid restoration. On behalf of Voco, and for more information, you can visit their website at www.vocoamerica.com for more information on fluoride varnish or other products that the Voco